Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to use VPN. Most of time, if we want to enter some site, the, all sites are not allowed us to enter the site because there are most of restriction and government restriction, world restriction. This is very issue. For this reason, to solve this problem, most of people use various kind of VPN. Today I am going to show you how to use VPN. First time, this my set is Android system, that's why I have to go Google Play Store, and I'm search here VPN proxy master. Yes, I select VPN proxy master. This is software. I will install. It takes sometimes only 1 minute, less than. Now install. Okay, just click open, agree, and click here, selecting allow always. This is add, skip add. Okay, we are connecting Singapore. Now we can use any website and you can go there. Thank you.